Český Krumlov, a UNESCO World Heritage Site nestled in the scenic landscapes of the Czech Republic, is a captivating medieval town that enchants visitors with its fairy tale charm, historic architecture, and artistic heritage. With its winding streets, castle complex, and vibrant cultural scene, Český Krumlov offers an enchanting array of experiences that transport travelers to a world of timeless beauty, artistic expression, and captivating history. The town's main attraction is its stunning castle complex, dominated by the Český Krumlov Castle. Perched on a hill overlooking the Vltava River, the castle boasts a mix of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architecture that showcases the town's rich history. The castle's interiors, including the royal apartments, the Baroque theatre, and the Castle Museum, offer glimpses into the lives of Bohemian nobility and showcase an impressive collection of art and historical artifacts. The historic center of Český Krumlov is a labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets, charming squares, and colorful houses that transport visitors back to the medieval era. The town's medieval atmosphere is enhanced by its preserved Renaissance and Baroque architecture, creating a picturesque backdrop for leisurely strolls and exploration. Art and culture flourish in Český Krumlov's museums, galleries, and cultural events. The Egon Schiele Art Centrum, dedicated to the famous Austrian painter, exhibits a collection of modern and contemporary art. The Five-Petaled Rose Festival, held annually, celebrates the town's history with medieval performances, craft demonstrations, and a lively procession. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore the Vltava River on canoe or kayak trips, offering a unique perspective of the town's castle and surrounding landscapes. The nearby Šumava National Park provides opportunities for hiking and outdoor activities amidst pristine nature. Culinary experiences in Český Krumlov celebrate local flavors and Czech cuisine. The town's restaurants, taverns, and cafes offer traditional dishes like svačkova, marinated beef, and trdelník, a sweet pastry. The town's markets, such as the Saturday Farmers Market, showcase fresh local produce and artisanal products. For those seeking historical exploration, Český Krumlov offers guided tours that provide insights into the town's history, castle, and cultural heritage. The town's romantic atmosphere and scenic beauty also make it a popular destination for weddings and romantic getaways. Český Krumlov is a town that seamlessly blends history, art, and medieval allure. Whether you're exploring its castle complex, wandering through its charming streets, enjoying its cultural events, or simply soaking in the enchanting ambience, Český Krumlov promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Czech heritage, artistic expression, and the timeless charm of a beautifully preserved medieval gem.